if you are a newbie using Filmora, so in this video you will learn how you can import your video in Filmora for editing. Before we start, I'll request you to do subscribe to my channel so you will get more exciting videos in future. So let's begin. So let's begin. First you need to click here and then go to the location of the video. Select the video and then press open button. Here you can see that video will appear on this box. Then you need to click on this plus sign or double click. Key project settings button. And now your video is ready for editing. You can edit this video here. I hope you have liked my video. So do subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you so much.